welcome to today's episode of Raise Your Toast with Davina, where we are honored of introducing a master interior designing, Dolly Chaddaji, a man whose creations are nothing short of extraordinary. He brings vision to life that is larger than its life, draped into luxury and glamour. Dolly G is known for his unparalleled ability to play with stone and inlay, crafting designs that are not just unique, but they're mesmerizing and it's worthwhile. His eyes to detail ensures that every artifact finds its perfect place, allowing it to command the respect and attention it deserves. Though his project may take a little longer time as expected, but the wait is always worth. Because when Dolly G's design come to life, it leaves everybody spellbound. Thank you so much for coming, sir. We waited long, but the wait is always
it is
worthwhile.
my pleasure.
And I believe, sir, you would have given a lot of interviews, but this is the podcast channel and this is going to be for a longer duration. And our viewers, our audience really want a complete insight about you because it is tough to catch hold of you. So, sir, Dolly Chadda, if the name comes in designing fraternity, it talks about luxury, it talks about glamour. In entire residential designing is concerned, there are so many things which you introduced in designing when it comes to luxury. So, what sets you apart as a designer? And do you believe that the ideal client for your unique approach to home is who?
It might be different.
All right.
All designers have their own working style, but over the period of it has been that my work has been appreciated.
Of course, no
And
doubt
loved.
about it. Yes, sir.
And the second question that about the clients, I've been lucky always to have ideal clients who's given me free hand working and creating basically. So I was lucky in that, and that is the reason probably my projects have been different than others.
When did you actually introduce yourself into this industry? Like how many years back?
That was probably in 92.
92.
Yeah,
So it is almost
32 years.
32 years.
Yeah.
Oh wow, what a long journey, sir.
Yeah.
And you have your love towards stone, your love towards inlay, your love towards intricate designing, which we can see in your projects, is impeccable. Means something wherein you actually pay attention to a small flooring also, whether it is an entrance or it is a wash area, whether it is a drawing room. Everything has its own, unique way of flow in the flooring. So sometimes it also increases the budget of the client, I believe.
See, you have to work on the budget first and
Yes,
then on the designs.
true.
So it is that basically you don't have a thought process first. I mean, you don't have a set thought process. You basically work on the designs first, and then it comes automatically. If you work on the layout and designs, then you have lot of you come out with lot of probabilities. My
बट आपके दिमाग में कैसे आता है कि मुझे इतना इनले का काम करना चाहिए?
वो सब चीजें बात की होती है. यू स्टडी द लेआउट फर्स्ट,
हाँ,
and when you come to the design concept, then you have lot of opportunities. मतलब आप कभी उस पे जाएंगे तो आपको मिलेगा कि यार ये चीज मैं कर सकता हूँ. उसमें एक डिजाइन से आपको 50 डिजाइन मिलेंगे कि ये चीज मैं इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकता हूँ. बट देन यू हैव टू चूज द मीडिया वेयर यू कैन हार्मोनाइज एवरीथिंग एल्स. तो जब आप वो मीडिया यूज करते हो तो ये होता है कि बाकी चीजें हैं, कलर्स हैं, पेंटिंग्स हैं, एसेसरीज हैं, ये सब को जब ब्लेंड करोगे और अगर वो सिंक्रोनाइज होगी तो वो इंटीरियर अपने आप ही अच्छा होगा.
खिल कर आएगा. Sir, artifacts.
I mean, it is like a story.
Yes.
If you make a story, then you have different characters, and
Right.
you define those characters. So interior is also like a story only, where all the characters has their important role, or rather, it's like a poetry, where every word has its meaning.
So you call yourself an interior designer or an artist?
It is basically an artist. Every interior designer is an artist only. See,
Okay.
there are commercial designers, those who do on a commercial basis. अगर आप ऐसे देखोगे तो अपने से ज़्यादा एडवांस कंट्रीज हैं यूएस.
Hmm.
यूएस में अगर आप जाके इंटीरियर देखोगे तो देयर इज नो इंटीरियर ओनली.
Very
They
minimalistic.
very minimalistic because they
Yes.
do it on a commercial basis.
Right.
Here we create everything. आप
Right.
अगर हमारा पुराना पास्ट भी देखोगे इंडिया का तो वो यही है कि craftsmanship is very different.
Right.
And earlier, I mean, decades before, it was all hand carved. It
Right.
was
Like
all
Taj Mahal.
Taj. Why is Taj different? It is not because of the craftsmanship alone.
Right.
Taj is called the eighth wonder. It is because at that time it was a collaboration.
Hmm.
इंडियन क्राफ्टमैन ने काम किया
Right.
और पूरे वर्ल्ड से जितने राजा महाराजा थे उन्होंने कंट्रीब्यूट किया.
Right.
सबके अपने अपने क्राफ्टमैनशिप होती है हर कंट्री की, हर
Yes.
जगह की.
Right.
उन्होंने अपने जेम्स भेजे, किसी ने सेमी प्रेशियस स्टोन भेजे. वो भेज के जब उन चीज़ों का इनले हुआ और वो चीज़ें वॉल क्लैडिंग में यूज हुई, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड द एट्थ वंडर.
Yes.
इट वाज नॉट दैट इजी.
So what is the definition of luxury in your design terms?
सी बेसिकली फॉर layman, luxury is like gaudy.
Yes.
Luxury is never gaudy.
Hmm.
It is plush. And basically what you like or what people comes and like it is luxury. So when you design, see, basically all throughout my career मेरे को ज़्यादा करके प्रोजेक्ट्स वही मिले हैं जिनका बजट ज़्यादा था
Right.
या प्रीमियम प्रोजेक्ट्स मिले हैं. तो उसमें लग्जरी होना ही होती थी
Right.
और इतना बजट कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं था. पर जब जब आपको प्रीमियम क्लाइंट्स मिलते हैं तब भी ये होता है कि डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन होता है. पर वो स्किल आप में होना चाहिए कि आप में कन्विंसिंग पावर होना चाहिए कि आप उनको कन्विंस कर सको. और वो कोलैबोरेशन से ही एक डिज़ाइन बन के आता है. तो कई बार ये होता है कि क्लाइंट्स का ट्रस्ट होता है उसमें.
Yes.
और होता भी है कि जब आप शुरू करते हो अपना अपना करियर तब वो ट्रस्ट डेवलप नहीं होता है.
शुरुआत में इतना ट्रस्ट डेवलप नहीं होता
नहीं
है.
होता है.
Slowly and gradually when you start
You start and then
portraying
you
your
you get your experience, your confidence, everything, and then people see your projects. Then you gain that trust in your clients.
right.
So it is for everybody. I mean, if you call a doctor or an engineer or an architect or anybody, if they start their career, it is not that initial days
Day
they'll
one
not,
you start getting work.
you will not get that trust or confidence. You have to build that
That hold will be built through
through
experience,
experience and through your projects.
through your projects. Yes. Sir, artifact placement seems to be very critical in your work. जितना मैंने आपके साथ में आपका काम देखा है और सुना है, आपके सारे पूरे घर में आर्टिफैक्ट्स के प्लेसमेंट्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत पर्टिकुलर होते हैं और वो बहुत रिस्पेक्ट डिमांड करते हैं. जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल आपके घर में देयर वाज अ लेडी which you have placed beneath your staircase
Staircase.
where she is on her own single thumb of the toe. The placement of that lady, I believe it's so tough to declare कि हाँ ये lady वहाँ खड़ी होगी. But then after putting that particular artifact, that staircase has its own charm. People don't forget about the placement of the staircase. People look that particular artifact standing. So what
But उसका
initiated, what ideated you कि भाई मुझे ऐसा कुछ
उस
करना है?
पर्टिकुलर उसका तो ये था कि वो पहले मैंने वो आर्टिफैक्ट खरीदा and then I designed the staircase according to that particular artifact. So basically, see, artifact is crucial for and essential for every designer. मे बी मेरे काम में वो ज़्यादा इसलिए दिखता है कि आई एम मोर पैशनेट
Hmm.
फॉर द आर्टिफैक्ट्स। और आर्टिफैक्ट अपने आप में क्या होता है कि इंटीरियर को लाइफ देता है और एक जगह को स्पेशल बनाता है, एक कॉर्नर को स्पेशल बनाता है।
Hmm.
So basically, it is not that you go to China or any place, you get those artifacts and place it.
Hmm.
It will not come out like that.
So you're trying to say sir कि आर्टिफैक्ट की प्लेसमेंट डे वन से डिसाइड होनी चाहिए?
आर्टिफैक्ट की प्लेसमेंट जो है वो आपको सही तब मिलेगी जब आप इनिशियल स्टेज पे लेआउट पे काम कर रहे होंगे।
फॉर आर्टिफैक्ट्स प्लेसमेंट?
नो नो नो, नॉट फॉर आर्टिफैक्ट। जब आप एज अ डिजाइनर जब आप लेआउट बनाते हो तो लेआउट आपके सबऑर्डिनेट्स बनाते हैं,
राइट।
पर लेआउट पे जब आप काम करते हो इनिशियल स्टेज पे, बिगनर स्टेज पे, तब आपको ध्यान होता है कि यार मेरे को ये आर्टिफैक्ट यहाँ प्लेस करना है। तो डेफिनेटली आपने जो सोच लिया वो तो नहीं मिलने वाला है,
राइट।
बट उसके क्लोजर कुछ चीज मिलती है जो
राइट।
स्टेटमेंट पीस होगा, तभी वो इंटीरियर को एनहांस करेगा।
तब वो स्टेटमेंट वॉल बन जाएगी या स्टेटमेंट कॉर्नर पीस बन जाएगा।
ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने सोचा कि मैं 5-10 आर्टिफैक्ट ला के रख दूंगा
हम्म।
तो उससे इंटीरियर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा एनहांस हो जाएगा।
हम्म।
इट हैज़ टू बी अ स्टेटमेंट पीस फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर, and it should suit that corner or particularly that area.
राइट।
Then only it will enhance the interior.
So it is not necessary that the artifact has to be too expensive also.
No, 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 not at all. Not
It
at
could
all.
be the right placement of
Yeah,
the right
yeah,
artifact.
yeah, yeah. It depends on what interior you are basically into and what design concept you have decided.
Hmm.
According to that, you have to buy the artifacts.
So your interiors are also inspired from some other interior designing or some
Not
other
from
place.
other interior designers, but then it is, yeah, one designer I would have loved to work with or work for rather. She was Jaha Hadid.
Yeah, the great lady, I believe, in designing.
In designing, what she used to create, I probably think nobody else could have done it in the world. उनसे इंस्पायर्ड जरूर होता है और हर किसी डिजाइनर से आप इंस्पायर होते हो ऐसा नहीं है,
Hmm.
पर नॉट दैट एनी पर्टिकुलर डिजाइनर आई हैव बीन इंस्पायर्ड एंड probably I would have copied
Right.
him or her. But then you are inspired by the era.
By the era.
Era. See, modern designs definitely you can work upon now.
Hmm.
But the eras जो पहले यूरोपियन और इंडियन कल्चर्स रहे हैं
Hmm.
उनसे अगर आप इंस्पायर होते हो तो देन वो चीज अलग ही है और वो इट इज मतलब वो इंटीरियर्स कैन नेवर डाई।
Right. So you're trying to tell me old is gold?
ओल्ड इज ऑलवेज गोल्ड।
Okay. So
ओल्ड इज
when you are
ऑलवेज गोल्ड।
inspired by some old designs, probably is an everlasting design.
या see basically all European designs if you see those are like still on,
Hmm.
like 200-300 years back
Hmm.
those designs are still on. And modern designs, you know what happens, मॉडर्न में जितनी भी चीज़ आप देखोगे वो एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के बाद में फेड हो जाती है।
All right. डिजाइन में भी ऐसा होता है?
डिजाइन में भी ऐसा होता है।
क्योंकि ये चीज हम जनरली सॉन्ग्स सुनते हैं कि पुराने गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं जो आज तक सुने जाते हैं,
नए गाने
नए
भी
गाने
अच्छे
जो
हैं,
हैं वो अच्छे हैं लेकिन वो फेड हो जाते हैं
फेड
बहुत
हो
जल्दी,
जाते हैं।
बिकॉज
आप
उनमें लिटरेचर नहीं होता,
बिल्कुल
उनमें वर्ड्स नहीं होते हैं।
ऐसा नहीं है, होता है लिटरेचर, मतलब सॉन्ग्स आर आल्सो गुड, दैट म्यूजिक इज आल्सो गुड, बट अगर आप देखोगे कि जो बहुत फेमस गाने भी हुए हैं, आपसे अगर मैं पूछूं 3 साल पहले कौन सा गाना था तो आप भूल जाओगे।
भूल जाओगे। यू राइट।
और अभी आपसे मैं बोलूं कि किशोर का कौन सा अच्छा गाना है या रफी का कौन सा अच्छा गाना है तो यू स्टिल रिमेम्बर दैट।
राइट। सो एरा इज
एरा,
द बेसिक
या
एलिमेंट कि
या
डिजाइन इज
फॉर मॉडर्न
इंस्पायर्ड विद
डिजाइन्स
एराज।
नो डाउट मॉडर्न डिजाइन्स आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल and very good looking also, but then if you see you are into this trade also, you know that it fades out।
इट फेड्स आउट।
और आपको मॉडर्न डिजाइन में बल्कि ये होता है कि हर समय आपको नया चाहिए कुछ,
हम्म।
you look for that,
हम्म।
whereas those old designs are still new for you।
आप बोर नहीं होते उसको
कभी
देख
बोर
के?
नहीं होते उससे आप। और अगर हम आर्टिफैक्ट्स को भी देखें तो आपको जितने क्लासिक एराज हैं उनके आर्टिफैक्ट्स अभी भी बहुत अच्छे मिलते हैं।
Hmm.
Whereas for modern you have to look for it.
And I believe those modern artifacts are also quite inspired from old artifacts.
Yeah, it is.
But like if you talk about old artifacts or old paintings, they have two integrate design. When you actually make it more simplistic, it comes to a modern design.
Yeah, yeah.
But they're inspired somewhere down the
Yeah,
line
yeah,
there.
it is. It is always inspired by, see, basically पूरी दुनिया जो है अगर आप उसको देखो तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप चेंज होती है।
Hmm.
और ये रिवोल्यूशंस जो हैं वो, या ये जो टेक्नोलॉजीज हैं
Hmm.
वो धीरे 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 करके आती हैं अंदर।
Hmm.
जैसे आप मेरे से अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले स्टोन का पूछ रहे थे, तो स्टोन, व्हाई डू आई यूज स्टोन मोर?
Yes.
Over the years, technology wise also and designs wise also, स्टोन में बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट चेंज आ गया है। अपने यहाँ पत्थर पहले अगर आप देखोगे तो एक घर बनता था, इंसान यहाँ से जाता था राजस्थान, एक ट्रक लोड लेके आता था पत्थर और वो पूरे घर में लगा देता था, सेम पत्थर।
Right.
इट वाज जस्ट कि उसमें से जो अच्छा पत्थर होता था वो ड्राइंग डाइनिंग्स में लगते थे, और जो उसके बाद का होता था वो मास्टर बेडरूम में, फिर उसके बाद का जो बचता था वो गेस्ट बेडरूम से, इस तरह होता था। बट नाउ इंडिया ऑल्सो हैज started importing Italian marbles,
Hmm.
Brazilian quartz.
Hmm.
So now Brazilian quartz are so expensive and mind-blowing designs they have,
Hmm.
and they have so many colors in it
Hmm.
कि अब उसका प्लेसमेंट आप करोगे तो डेफिनेटली वो इंटीरियर बहुत अलग होगा।
Right.
और टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज भी क्या हो गया कि स्टोन पे काम करना इज नाउ वेरी इजी। अर्लियर इट वाज ओनली हैंड क्राफ्टिंग। आप ताजमहल देखो या आप राजस्थान में जितने बड़े पैलेसेस बने हुए हैं वो सब हाथ के काम किए हुए हैं।
Hmm.
नाउ यू हैव सीएनसी मशीन्स, यू हैव लेथ मशीन्स, यू हैव राउटर्स, you have um, um, अपना laser, everything,
Hmm.
milling. So now you can work more on stones. And if you see, there are so many vendors now working on stones with different machines.
Yes.
तो अब स्टोन में वो चीज़ें बहुत अलग हो गई हैं, मतलब जो आज से अगर 25 साल पहले थी, 25 साल पहले तो इटालियन मार्बल शुरू हो गया था, बट मैं बोलूँ अगर 40 साल पहले थी तो दैट वाज ओनली इंडियन मार्बल, दैट वाज ओनली वाइट।
That was only white.
वाइट, white with gray, white with green, or white with brown. That
Brown.
was the only thing. So now you have a lot of colors in marble, and then काम करना is very easy now on marble.
Hmm. So, coming back to luxury home, your design are synonym of luxury, and you have a reputation of carefully placing a carpet and having a very fine placement of furnitures. How do you do that?
See, basically, I told you when you work on a layout, you have a design concept.
Hmm.
When you when you do that design concept, you have to finalize your media, your color,
Hmm.
your fabric,
Hmm.
everything.
Hmm.
And when you finalize those things and synchronize everything,
Hmm.
everything will fall into place automatically.
Okay. But sir, for example, I'm just asking as my viewers would like to take some tips from this podcast. When you finalize a particular furniture of a room, whether it is a drawing room, let's talk about a drawing room, and you're making that drawing room very luxurious. What comes in your mind first and foremost? Of course, first is the layout.
Yeah.
Once your layout is freezed, the second step is selection of a furniture.
Selection of the marble first.
Acha, selection
And
of the
yeah,
marble
yeah.
first.
You have to design a floor and a ceiling first,
Hmm.
and then you go on the walls and the furniture.
Okay.
And then it depends. If you're designing a modern furniture, you will create wall arts or paintings accordingly.
Hmm.
So it is the what kind of design you are uh, going into,
Hmm.
and then basically it is first the floor and the ceiling, and then the walls,
And then the
and
wall.
then the furniture.
And then the furniture.
Yeah.
And then the carpet.
Yeah, carpet is, see, basically once you make a layout, so if it is wall to wall carpet, then it will come in the flooring only.
True.
And if it is a rug, then you can place it anytime. मतलब
Sir, I
even
have
आप
always seen you designing on sketching the carpet layout also in your
वो
drawings.
मैं इसलिए करता हूँ कि अगर कोई बेडरूम है तो सी बेसिकली कार्पेट सबसे पहले आता है बेडरूम्स में.
Hmm.
तो बेड एरिया यू नीड अ सॉफ्ट फ्लोर.
Right.
और when you design a bedroom also, then you think that if you are placing a floor completely in a one color,
Hmm.
then probably it will not look that great.
Okay.
And even if you put a floor or Italian marble or any marble or any tile, then you try to put a rug under the bed.
Hmm.
So because bed area needs a soft floor.
Hmm.
और जब हम ये करते हैं तो अभी मैंने आपको बोला ना, हर चीज में रिवोल्यूशनरी चेंज आ गया है.
Hmm.
कारपेट पहले ऐसा होता था कि हम कारपेट यूज करते थे तो उसमें एक ऑर्डर होता था.
Hmm.
हम अगर दरवाजा कोई खोलते थे और बंद दरवाजा हम खोलेंगे तो एक स्मेल आती थी कारपेट की. नाउ इट इज ऑर्डरलेस कारपेट्स.
Hmm.
एंड अर्लियर कारपेट्स वर एब्सोल्युटली प्लेन.
Hmm.
और अगर आपको डिजाइन बनाना है
Hmm.
तो वो हैंड क्राफ्टेड होते थे.
Hmm.
जो हम कश्मीर में कारपेट देखते हैं या रेशम के कारपेट देखते हैं, तो अभी इस मॉडर्न लाइफ में जहाँ हम इतना फास्ट इंटीरियर्स कर रहे हैं तो वो हैंड क्राफ्टेड तो खत्म ही हो गया है.
Right.
अब
Machine
वो
carpet.
सिर्फ रग्स पे चले
Rugs
गए
पे
हैं.
चले.
बट फॉर्चुनेटली इतने रिवॉल्यूशनरी चेंज में मशीन मेड कारपेट जो आ गए हैं तो द माइंड ब्लोइंग नाउ. इतने बड़े, पहले हम पर्शियन कारपेट देखते थे
Hmm.
कि पर्शिया से कारपेट आते थे यार वो. अब मॉडर्न डिजाइन में भी और क्लासिक डिजाइन में भी मशीन मेड कारपेट बन रहे हैं.
Hmm.
जब आप एक इंटीरियर प्लान करते हो तो उसमें कारपेट क्या रोल प्ले करता है, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये. इट गिव्स यू अ कोजी लुक
Right.
एंड देन इट एड्स टू योर इंटीरियर्स बिकॉज यू गेट कलर्स इन कारपेट्स, यू गेट डिजाइन इन कारपेट.
Hmm.
तो वो कलर्स और वो डिजाइन जो ऐड होते हैं उससे इनहांस होता है इंटीरियर.
Interiors.
And suppose if you are not using wall to wall carpet, you are using a rug also, then rugs are so beautifully made nowadays. नहीं तो पहले रग यूज कहाँ होते थे, आप बताओ.
Hmm.
रग होते थे जो बड़े बड़े साइज के होते थे कि एक ड्राइंग रूम में रग लगा दिया तो ठीक है. इट वाज ट्रीटेड लाइक अ वॉल टू वॉल कार्पेट ओनली.
So basically, size of the carpet also plays a very important
Yeah,
role.
yeah.
If it is placed beneath the center table, if it
Now
is
it is
placed in the
size
bedroom,
also. Yeah, now it is size also and shape also.
shape also.
Now it has
Yes,
been, now they are creating shapes
shapes as well.
in rugs. So that is one important thing when you use or think about carpet. These are the benefits now
Hmm.
कि वो कलर्स भी ऐड करेगा, कोजी भी होगा, सब चीजें कार्पेट से
Enhance
मिलती
करता है
बिल्कुल.
basically, interiors को enhance करता है carpet. Sir, as you mentioned that you had very good clients who have no budget constraints and they also gave you a free
बजट
hand.
कंट्रोल, बजट होता है
Budget
सभी
होता
का.
है, but not very economical sites, sites which is called premium sites. And but then sir, it is always said that when premium thing is demanded, it comes with a lot of expectations.
Definitely.
So you probably had a journey of making houses to all who-hos, and they also have a lot of expectations towards you. So how do you used to match with that?
See, basically every client has expectations and they choose you only because they have trust in you. They come to you with a trust that probably he'll give me the best.
Right.
So it is that those challenges are always there.
They're still there, whether a
Yeah,
client is
whether, yeah. Why
a premium client or
even if it is not a premium client, low budget client, he'll also have an expectation only. Expectations is no less.
But how do you treat it? Like, at times, probably you also want something to be there in your site to make it a wow factor, but but the client is not able to accept that, or probably would have not able to visualize that. So, how do you manage to convince, or what is the technique of either you show a Pinterest image, or you try you draw it and tell? How do you do that? Like,
See, basically we draw, we sketch, and then show it to him. But then you need that convincing power first. As
so
being
you're
a
so
designer,
soft. Whenever I talk to you, you're so soft, so soft.
soft is okay, but
And the
then
way
you
you
need no,
explain,
no. You need to, even if I am explaining you, I explain it to my clients also. So that convincing power has to be there. And as I told you, when initial when you start your career, that time probably people don't trust you. But after I have been working since so long, so now people have that trust also. कि अगर ये बोल रहा है तो
of
probably कुछ
course.
ना कुछ बात होगी. But being a designer, you need to be a good salesman also.
So,
Suppose if you have a lot of ideas in your mind and you are not able to sell it in the sense you are not able to implement it, then it is very difficult.
then it is very difficult to be a designer.
Yeah, yeah.
A designer has to have a good convincing power.
Has to have very good convincing power.
सर ऐसा कोई किस्सा जिसमें आपने कन्विंस किया
मैं
और
आपको
बहुत अच्छी चीज हो गया हो?
एक पत्थर का वो बताता हूँ आपको. दैट वाज इन 95 और 98 probably. तब इटालियन मार्बल, इंडिया स्टार्टेड importing Italian marble that time.
95 में.
90, yeah, 91, 92 they started importing in on a larger scale. So there is one Italian marble called Travertino. You must have heard about
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
So Travertino has some pores in it, and it looks like a designer marble. And that is the only marble which you can use extensively because मतलब it is, वो कितना भी लगा लो आप, वो गॉडी नहीं लगता है. तो इट वाज प्रॉब्ली इन 98. मैंने किसी क्लाइंट के लिए, उस समय इट वाज प्रॉब्ली 300 रुपीज स्क्वायर फीट, और मैंने वो लिया और उसके यहाँ मैंने वॉल क्लैडिंग करी. तो ही सेड यार वी पेड 300 रुपीज फॉर दिस मार्बल, और ये तो डिफेक्टिव मार्बल है. तो
And you
मैंने
bought it because of
हाँ, because of that
the
texture only.
specification, it had
Because
holes and it has
हाँ,
texture.
तो आई सेड व्हाट इज डिफेक्टिव इन इट. बोले यार ये तो चूहे का कुतरा हुआ लग रहा है. तो अब ये जब तक आप, एक बहुत बुजुर्ग लोग बोलते हैं ना कि जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. तो जब तक आप देखोगे नहीं ना, तब तक बिकेगा नहीं. वही मैंने आपको बोला कि मार्बल में अब इतनी रेंज आ गई है कि दिस इज एंडलेस. वी आल्सो डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम्स नाउ. नाउ वी हैव टू आस्क द वेंडर कि व्हाट इज द ओरिजिन.
So the right way to ask
Yeah, right way to
which
find.
marble is
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is to
right
ask the
way.
origin.
Yeah, yeah.
कहाँ का
Right.
है?
हाँ.
ब्राजील का है, टर्की का है, इंडिया का है.
See, if it is a Turkish marble or a Irani marble, it will be lesser priced.
Okay.
But nowadays, see what happens. It is just that the print and the color matters. अगर वो टर्की का भी है और उसका बहुत अच्छा प्रिंट है और बहुत अच्छा कलर है, तो दे विल प्राइस इट हाईली.
Okay.
एंड देन देयर आर ब्राजीलियन कॉर्ड्स जो स्ट्रेंथ में इटालियन मार्बल से 10 टाइम्स मोर होते हैं.
होते हैं.
हाँ. And so very hard stone. Just because they are hard, see stone, there is one principle. The harder the stone, the more it will get polished.
अच्छा. Okay.
जैसे अगर हम बात करें डायमंड, इट इज अ स्टोन.
Yes.
जब आप
Hardest
उसको
carbon.
हार्डेस्ट, जब आप उसको काटते हो, हार्डेस्ट प्रॉब्ली प्लेटिनियम, देन इट इज मार्बल, अपना
Diamond.
डायमंड. बट देन डायमंड को जब आप काटते हो तो वो कितना पॉलिश लगता है.
Polished to that.
इंडियन उसमें अगर हम देखें तो देयर इज नो मार्बल लाइक दिस. इट इज ग्रेनाइट. Granite is harder than marble. If you polish the granite, it will shine more. and this is how Brazilian cords are. They are very hard stone, and the print, if you see, ऐसा लगता है कि पिकासो की पेंटिंग होगी कोई. So that is the, I mean, significant change in marble. आपको ये मार्बल जो ब्राजीलियन कॉर्ड्स मिल रहे हैं वो रेंज करते हैं 1500 to 10,000 rupees or maybe 20,000 rupees. But those are only highlighters. I mean, you cannot use it everywhere.
Everywhere.
And those print also you cannot use it. But if you are making a bathroom or maybe you are making a drawing room where you want a wall cladding, and if you do that wall cladding, it comes out beautiful.
So bathroom से याद आया, you are actually very particular about bathroom designing also. We have seen very beautiful mosaic lady face on one of the wall. We have seen the flooring also made in a very different way. So like you have.
I have always felt rather कि bathroom is one place where you can meditate.
You can meditate.
Meditate. जब आप सुबह जाते हो फ्रेश होने या नहाने या तब आपको पूरे दिन का काम याद आता है. जब आप काम पे आ जाते हो तब तो आप काम ही कर रहे हो.
काम ही कर रहे हो.
तो
Basically a
bathroom,
place where there is a me time.
yeah, it's a me time, and you think about everything, how your life is going, what you have to do today. So that is the time when you concentrate
On yourself.
on yourself. और वही जगह पे अगर आप मतलब उसी तरह का वो बना दोगे, तो मेरे डिजाइन में अगर आप देखोगे तो आई डोंट यूज वॉल टू वॉल मार्बल ओनली इन टॉयलेट्स.
Okay.
I use wall to wall marble. I mean, the full height marble only in the bathing areas. जहाँ पानी स्प्लैश होता है वहाँ आपको पूरा मार्बल लेना है. अदरवाइज माई टॉयलेट्स विल लुक लाइक अ रूम ओनली.
Yeah. Definitely, I've seen very luxurious toilets.
So that is where you work on the flooring. Then again, you see, basically it is the same process for every area. It might be a bedroom or a drawing room or a living room. First you work on the layout, then you decide what marble you are going to take, what ceiling you are going to take, how you are going to blend that. So it is the same process that you are writing a story or maybe a poetry, where each and everything has its own importance or has to speak. So basically एक आर्टिस्ट हमेशा ऐसे ही सोचता है.
So I believe, sir, rather than interior designer, you're more an artist.
Yes, every designer is an artist only. I told you earlier also. Each and every designer, see basically क्या होता है कि जब आप बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हो, बहुत आप एक 50,000 स्क्वायर फीट का ऑफिस बना रहे हो, तो आप उसमें बहुत सारे वाव फैक्टर्स नहीं डालोगे, क्योंकि सारी कंस्ट्रेंट्स होंगी, बजट कंस्ट्रेंट होगा, एवरीथिंग. बट जब आप कॉर्पोरेट भी बनाते हो तो आपको मालूम है कि ये कॉमन एरियाज हैं, यहाँ पे मैं वर्क कर लूंगा थोड़ा, तो ये कम से कम वाव फैक्टर होगा. तो एवरी interior has a wow factor only.
And every place.
Not
whether
every
it is
place.
a common place,
This is
whether
what I'm
it's a
saying.
washroom.
If you make if you're making a house, then probably you will think कि हर जगह मैं wow factor डालूं. Each and every corner should look beautiful and should speak about the story. So once you enter, you know that this kind of theme is there. अगर आप चारों तरफ अपना आंखें घुमाते हो तो आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि यार ये भी यही स्टोरी बोल रहा है.
Sir, can you please elaborate that how does a house, like what comes in your mind when it comes to a story? It completely depends upon who people are going to live there, or what theme are you taking?
Definitely. See, basically अगर मैं ऐसे बात करूं तो पहले decades before, designers used to stay with the family for some time to know their taste, about their preferences, their choices, their color choices, और उसके बाद वो डिजाइन करते थे उनके लिए. बट अब इस इतने फास्ट वर्ल्ड में नाउ इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल ऑल्सो.
True.
बट स्टिल आपका काम तो वही है अभी भी. कि
काम तो
अगर
वही है कि आपको किसी
आ,
के लिए डिजाइन
किसी
करना
के
है।
लिए डिजाइन करना है तो डेफिनेटली आपके बारे में मेरे को मालूम होना चाहिए, और अगर नहीं भी मालूम है तो मैं हर उसमें या तो मैं 3D बना के दूंगा आपको, आप उसको पसंद करोगे, उसमें कोई चेंजेस करोगे, तो वो उतना फ्लेक्सिबल हर डिजाइनर को होना भी चाहिए।
सर स्टोरी कैसे बयां कर सकते हैं?
स्टोरी तो ऐसा नहीं होता, वो तो जब इफ यू मेक अ लेआउट फर्स्ट, देन अगेन आई सेड ना, you start with the flooring or ceiling,
हम्म।
and then once you are through with it,
हम्म।
and once you know what is client's requirement and
हम्म।
what is his taste,
हम्म।
then you work on it,
हम्म।
and then you work on those options.
हम्म।
You have to explore. Every time you have to explore.
हम्म।
You cannot repeat your designs.
राइट।
So once, and there are multiple options
So, for example,
for everything.
whenever it comes to your name, it comes to be it comes to that he is a classical interior designer.
No,
He
I'm
makes
making
more
model.
in
See,
he is more into classical carving and things like that. So, do
that
you?
is definitely my forte.
Yes.
But then I'm working on moderns also, and I come out with a good designs in modern, and people appreciate it also. But as I told you, for a classic thing, it is now, for me probably it is more easier.
Hmm.
But modern also it is. I mean, you can still make a story out of it.
So, why do anybody need an expert interior designer?
See, for every technical field, you need an expert designer. Expert designer rather than an expert.
Hmm.
Designer is definitely a different work. But if you see, if you go to a, if you're not well, you go to a doctor,
Right.
you need an expert.
Yes.
If you go to have food somewhere, you need an expert chef
Hmm.
to serve your good food.
Right.
Even you are expert yourself when you make food for your family.
Hmm.
So that is your expertise only, so that you can give them good food.
True.
So every technical field you need a designer only. And for interiors also it is the same.
Right.
To fulfill your ideas, to implement your uh, thoughts, you need a designer who can ensure the implementation, the precision, and then come out with a good design.
Beautiful answer, sir. And I believe it actually clears everybody's mind that why do somebody need an expert interior designer? Sir, if Dolly Chadda would have not been an interior designer, then what?
I would have been a fashion designer. I'm very fond of designing clothes. I used to design it for my kids when they were small, for my
Okay.
daughters. And that you can see in my interiors also. When I do my classic interiors, you can see the detailing done on the cushions, on the curtains, everywhere.
Yeah.
So I am very fond of my knowledge for the fabrics and my knowledge for the embroideries and everything. So that is because of my passion towards fashion designing also.
So is that
Rather, I
so?
design my clothes also.
Yeah, I usually see whichever kurta or a shirt you wear has a different
It
designing
is
element.
it is after COVID I started wearing kurtas,
Hmm.
and people started liking it also.
Yeah.
When I was awarded as a um, icon interior designer of the year, so that time Mr. Todi he also told me कि you come in kurta only. So people started liking it, and then when I started wearing also every day, so I started designing it differently.
Hmm.
So that is again the passion towards fashion,
Again, an artist under you, which
probably.
I can say somebody who is an artist can see everything in a different angle, whether the clothes which you wear or the design which you do, and that is why your designing is very different, sir, because you're completely you have that, the blood flowing inside your body talks about design altogether. uh, is your satisfaction box full, or you still have something to
Any
design now?
designer, any passionate designer, his satisfaction box can never be full.
Latest project which you did wherein you experimented something else which you would have not experiment which you have not done before?
See, every project of mine, I experiment only. Definitely, I mean, and by God's sake, ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि वो experiment fail हुआ हो.
Hmm.
But then I always want to create new things,
Hmm.
whether it may be artifacts, whether it may be wall art, whether it may be bed designs, side table designs. I explore too much.
Hmm.
Even in free time, if I go to watch a movie, I'm more interested in interiors.
Hmm.
If I go to a good place, I'm more interested in what they have used,
Hmm.
what media they have used. So basically, it is always a buzz going on कि क्या नया create करना
So you have immense love towards casting. I have seen
है.
you
Yeah,
cast a lot in your furnitures.
we are into brass casting. We used to earlier we used to use acrylic lot in our interiors. So lately, when I was exploring for my artifacts, there's a company called Lalique,
Hmm. Very famous.
very famous company. They make a lot of artifacts in crystal, and they are into basically glass casting. So when you cast a material or a artifact, you have limitations because there is possibility of air bubbles coming in.
Okay.
So इसीलिए उनके जो आर्टिफैक्ट्स हैं वो बहुत छोटे होते हैं. They
Huh.
make statement pieces,
Hmm.
but again the size is too less.
Hmm.
तो तब and I was very passionate about I mean their products.
Hmm.
They have around 5 to 10,000 odd products with them,
Hmm.
and this is where my passion for artifacts came in, and we started our own uh, um, designer series, and my company called Studio Solastic came in.
Oh yeah, I was
Yes,
about to ask the same question, sir. Your new venture, which is Studio
Solastic.
Solastic, which is
It is
completely
Lalique, and now we have a Studio Solastic. So Solastic is again energy, and it is related to glass, shine basically.
shine.
So my daughters are going to take care of for that, and we have come up with a lot of designs with center tables, dining tables, and artifacts.
So it is again a punch of love towards an
Yeah,
artifact.
yeah,
You're so
and
passionate.
very passionate about it. And see what we are doing. We are not into casting.
Hmm.
We are taking solid acrylic and we are handcrafting it, each and
Okay.
every piece. And the size doesn't matter now
It could
because
be as small as possible and as big as
as big
possible.
as possible. See, Lalique normally is making pieces not more than 12 inches.
Okay.
And we start up piece from 21 inches onwards to 2.5, 3 feet, 4 feet also.
Lovely, sir. When are you launching?
That will take time because it's a very lengthy process to make those artifacts. It
Okay.
takes a lot of time because all are handcraft. So we have come up with 50 odd pieces around, and once we are through with 1,000 pieces, probably
Then the
then we
launching would
launch.
be
Yeah,
there. So we're waiting, sir.
definitely. I mean,
We're waiting
it
for.
is a beautiful thing, and अगर वो successful हो गई, तो then probably you will hear my name internationally.
Of course, we still here, sir. People are really crazy about you, your designing. What do you do in your free time? I mean to say, as an artist, or as an interior designer, or as a father, or as a husband. Well, what exactly you do? You spend a lot of time with family, or you try to explore more things? What
Yeah,
exactly do you do?
I definitely spend time with my family also, and I have a lot of hobbies. Like I play snooker since last 25 years. I've been playing snooker with my friends, and I really enjoy it. And then I am very fond of music, the old Bollywood music. I mean Kishore and Rafi, not Lata,
At
because I am fond of male
voice.
voices, and I am very fond of singing also.
Oh,
So I
nice.
sing along with when I hear those music. So and I'm very fond of painting, sketching.
Yes.
So, lot of hobbies I
So
have.
you have a very close, you make lovely vases basically. I have
Yeah,
seen you casting them, making them, stencils se usko paint karna and things like that. I have seen those in your design elements also. When you do interiors, your vases plays a very important role again.
vases are also artifacts only.
And they are part of
They are
artifacts
part of artifacts. So we have around 500 designs with us.
or vases.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
Once I'm through with this acrylic thing, probably we'll come with more vases also.
vases also. All right.
And life size sculptures also we are going to make.
So do you really think that you are a workaholic?
Every passionate designer is workaholic only. If he has a passion for anything, wherever you will go, you will try to see those things only. Same with the fashion designer. If he goes somewhere, he'll see the dresses only and try to, I mean, either get influenced or maybe try to work out how you can change those dresses
Okay.
and come up with new ones.
So, sir, after listening to you the entire podcast, I would say that luxury or glamour doesn't mean gaudy.
Not at all.
It
Not at all.
means a complete symphony of the entire color palette, the artifacts, the carpets, the lights, the walls, the flooring, the inlay, everything clubbed together. It comes out to a product of yours, basically.
As I told you, you are writing a story.
You're writing a story, yeah. Every character is connected.
Every character you have to make, and you have to make every character important.
Yeah. The product, the character is the product
Yeah,
basically, whether it
yeah.
is inlay work, whether it is an artifact, whether it is ceiling, whether it is a furniture piece, everything should be connected and should be a
It
part
is
of a story.
it is that if your story is good,
Yeah.
those characters are, I mean,
Strong.
strong, then definitely everybody is going to hear those stories.
Yes.
It is the same with interiors.
It's the same with the interiors.
How you synchronize all your elements together and make a story out of it.
Well connected, sir. Very nicely said. And there now we come to a rapid fire question, sir, wherein you have to give us one word answer which comes in your mind. What's your favorite color palette right now?
Gray.
Gray.
It has always been gray.
Okay. Any reason for it, sir?
Reason because I am fond of stone. So maybe Italian marbles you get more
Or in gray?
in gray.
Okay. So modern or vintage?
Both.
Both.
But my forte is vintage.
Okay. Minimalism or maximalism?
See, it depends it depends how you're writing the story. If it is minimalistic, then it will be, even if you can uh, form a story where there are only two characters and those two characters are very strong,
Hmm.
then also your story is very successful.
Hmm.
आप दो लोगों की कहानी बता रहे हो और वो बहुत स्ट्रांग है,
Hmm.
तो जो सुनेगा वो इनग्रॉस हो सकता है.
Right.
और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपने 10 लोगों की स्टोरी बनाई और वो इफेक्टिव नहीं होगी.
नहीं.
इट इज सेम विद इंटीरियर.
Okay. Okay. Your favorite room to design?
फेवरेट रूम मतलब हाउ?
Whether it's a drawing room or a bedroom or a living room or a washroom or a kitchen.
Any room, all the rooms are
There's
same
something which
only.
is really favorite for you कि yes, this is मेरे को मजा आता है ये
I
बनाने में.
I'm more fond of living rooms.
Living rooms.
Yeah.
And again, because that's a part where entire family comes and sits.
Yeah, it is the entire family comes in, and then um, you always create living rooms as modern only. Why modern? Because see, basically modern furniture is more comfortable than the classic ones.
Okay.
So classic look good in drawing rooms or maybe in bedrooms
Hmm.
where you don't need that comfort.
Hmm.
But living rooms normally you need comfort only.
Right.
So it is better that you make living rooms as a modern only.
Modern only. Sir, what is your go-to design trend? What is your trend? Go to design trend as of now.
Modern only.
Modern only. So least favorite trend, design trend.
See, I don't like Indian classic, the ethnic thing,
Okay.
because those ethnic things work probably in fashion only,
Not in design.
not in
Not in
interior.
design. Interior
Yeah,
design.
with all those Rajasthani things, if you design, probably I don't like it.
Okay. What is your favorite design city? That this city has a designing element.
Egypt,
Egypt. Because of casting.
because no, not only casting, they are into furniture also. They supply furniture everywhere in the world.
Oh. Okay.
And casting also, their brass casting is excellent because they do that casting in wax.
Hmm.
So they are basically artist only. आपको सबसे ज़्यादा वहाँ पे ही क्लासिक चीज़ें मिलेंगी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर वुड, that makes a lot of difference.
Hmm.
They use Romanian beechwood.
Hmm.
So that Romanian beechwood is very, I mean, when you do a carving, वो इतनी चिकनी वुड होती है कि उस पे कार्विंग बहुत ही बढ़िया आती है, मक्खन जैसी कार्विंग हो जाती है.
Okay.
तो वो जो कार्विंग करते हैं वो अगर आप वहाँ देख लोगे जाके तो आपको लगेगा कि यार पॉसिबल कैसे है.
So Egypt is a place
इजिप्ट
basically.
इज अ प्लेस. दे आर सप्लाइंग फर्नीचर टू फ्रांस. फ्रांस भी भेजते हैं और फ्रांस अपने नाम से भेजता है वो फर्नीचर.
अच्छा.
जहाँ लेजर और इतनी टेक्नोलॉजी आगे आ गई है, बट वो वीनियर में इनले आज भी हाथ से करते
विनियर में इनले हाथ
हैं.
में
इनले
आता
आज भी हाथ से करते हैं. और उधर ओल्ड एज पीपल डूइंग इट.
है. Oh great.
एंड इवन जो रेजिन में वो लोग बनाते हैं,
Hmm.
इट इज माइंड ब्लोइंग.
So best material you work with?
वुड.
Wood. Favorite season for design inspiration?
All the seasons are same only. I mean, probably a season doesn't work with interior designs. It might work with fashion designers because season wise you change your clothes. But interiors, it is always,
Always the same.
yeah, always the same.
What's your top design rule?
I told you there's no rule as such. Basically, you have to sit for the layout, try and make those design concept, explore everything. Basically, people, if you get lazy not exploring, probably not come up with new designs.
Okay. Sir, open concept or defined spaces? You like open concepts or defined spaces?
No, it should be defined.
It should be
Yeah,
defined
yeah, it should
spaces.
be. See, nowadays, basically, initially, living rooms were not. I mean, living room does not exist.
Hmm.
अब क्या हो गया है कि लिविंग रूम्स बनने लगे. पहले लिविंग एरिया बनते थे.
Hmm. Yes.
तो लिविंग एरिया में प्रॉब्लम क्या होती थी कि आप एयर कंडीशन कैसे करोगे उसको.
हाँ, क्योंकि
अब
बड़ा ओपन
अब
होता है.
हाँ, अब ये हो गया है कि 12 महीने में 6 महीने आपको कम से कम, मोर देन दैट, रादर 8-9 महीने आपको एसी लगता है.
Hmm.
सो ओपन एरियाज आर नाउ नॉट देयर.
Not there. Okay. Favorite piece of furniture you have ever designed?
सी, डिजाइनिंग चेयर्स इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. वो एक स्टोरी है इस पे कि दो लोग इंटीरियर डिजाइन करके पास आउट हुए
Hmm.
और 10 साल बाद मिले.
Hmm.
और 10 साल बाद जब मिले वो, तो एक इंटीरियर डिजाइनर हो गया था जो बहुत फेमस था. उसका नाम हो गया था बहुत.
Hmm.
उसने बोला यार बहुत तेरा नाम हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. उसने बोला तू क्या कर रहा है.
Hmm.
बोले यार मैं तब से चेयर डिजाइन कर रहा था, अभी भी चेयर डिजाइन कर रहा
अभी भी चेयर ही डिजाइन कर रहा हूँ.
हूँ. तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डिजाइन अ चेयर. आज भी, अभी भी हम लोग अगर डिजाइन करते हैं चेयर तो वी कॉपी इट बेसिकली.
Hmm.
लिटिल बिट ऑफ चेंजेस, बट स्टिल उसका बैक का शेप, उसका सीट का शेप, दैट यू हैव टू कॉपी ओनली.
Okay. Have you
And suppose
ever,
if you don't copy,
Huh.
then it will not be a comfortable chair.
the proportion might have a problem then.
Proportion you have to copy only.
Hmm.
So designing chair is very difficult.
One word to describe your design style.
Plush.
Plush, which you mentioned in the beginning. The designing should not be
It is not gaudy. It is
gaudy.
plush.
It is plush,
Luxurious.
luxurious. Most challenging project you have ever worked on.
All my projects are challenging for me. Even a small project, I told you, I try and explore for the media, for each and every. I mean, this is what I said. Why Taj is famous, because they got products from all over the world. वहीं पे एक और जगह बन रही है जो राधा स्वामी ट्रस्ट की है, बट दे आर यूजिंग ओनली वाइट मार्बल and their craftsmanship is excellent, better than Taj.
They're better than Taj.
And it has been almost 70 years. They are still working on that.
Sir, favorite design era. Which is your favorite design era?
It is European only, and I mean the 16th, 17th, and 18th era.
Precisely. 16, 17.
Beautiful designs that, and still so much still in.
Essential design tool which you cannot live without.
Pencil.
Pencil. Okay. Biggest influence on your design style.
I told you those early eras only.
Early eras. Dream client or a project still which you would like to do?
I told you I was very lucky in having my clients. Those gave me free hand to work and create. So it is. I only pray that I get clients like this only.
Sir, we pray that you keep on exploring the entire world and bring it to your design. And I believe one of its kind, Dolly Chadda design is signature piece, which you actually manage and craft and implement in your design, which makes your design completely different and complement with your work basically. So best of luck for your coming ventures, and best of luck for your coming venture, which is again Solistic, which is the artifacts which you are coming up with, and very soon we would be seeing it, and we would love it that it has been designed by you and created by you. And yes, not it is not only in India but internationally it will become very
No,
famous.
that will be internationally only.
It will be for international more,
yeah,
of course. But then, sir, I must say you are an inspiration not only to an interior designing industry, but of course you are an inspiration to all the creative industry altogether. And sitting with you, it seems like learning a lot of things, and this podcast will help our viewers and listeners to actually improvise their design in terms of what they are doing right now and how can they more make it more plush. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for coming. It was pleasure.